Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Money and Beyond with SC. In today's video, we are going to talk about the top 5 beginner investing mistakes. Don't do this if you want a stable life, secured future, and a retirement plan. Number 1, not investing at all. Keeping money in the bank account is a bad idea because of inflation. Your money will lose its purchasing power. It will lose its value. So you're not planning well for your retirement in case you're putting money in your bank. Imagine 100,000 in 20 years back, it was like $1 million, but now what is it? And imagine 20 years from now, what will happen? So instead of saving money in your bank to be affected by inflation, it's better to invest that money. Number 2, not having an emergency fund before you start investing. It's really important to build a reserve of cash that you can tap into whenever you hit an emergency situation. The last thing you want to do is to get into debts, selling off your investments, selling your properties because there is an emergency and you use all the money to invest. Unless where you're going to invest, you guarantee that you can be able to use that money in case of an emergency, or in case you want it to use it, you can liquidate it. But if it's not possible, make sure you have to be having an emergency fund where you can get some money in case of an emergency. Number 3, waiting too long to start investment. When you have an emergency fund, you can start investing immediately. Getting ready to get ready habit is common for beginners, but there is never going to be a best time to invest. It's better you start now. Number 4, investing too much money at once. Don't do that. If you're a beginner, if it's your first time to invest, you should start with a little or small amount of money until you get used and you get familiar. That's when you can start increasing the amount of money you can invest. And another thing, you may invest in something and later you make losses, whereby if you put little money, you will not be disappointed, not be hurt so much. Put little money, first see whether something is going to work out, then you can decide whether to continue investing in, whether to put in all your money. Never put your money at once. Putting all your eggs in one basket at once is not advisable for a beginner. Number 5, not investing enough to cover your future needs. You first sit and be like, in 5 years, where do I want to be? What should I want? How do I want my life to be? And start calculating. Don't just assume that in 5 years, I want to drive this kind of a car. I want to live in this kind of a home. I want this and this. First calculate in case I invest now, and in case I invest this much, and if it multiplies, at the end of the month, how much am I able to earn? How much am I able to get? And at the end of the year, how much will it be? By the end of 5 years, how much will it be? That's when you will know that yes, what I'm investing will be enough to live my dream life, to get my dream home, to get my dream car. But if it's not enough, if your calculations are not enough, go back on the table and see how much you can invest to live your kind of life you want. I think that's all for today. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos, like, comment, and if you have any other idea, feel free to comment.